Now I want to talk about grounding, which is different from setting. Setting is here we are in Pennsylvania in this bucolic setting, in the barn. But grounding is all those concrete details, the cold, the light, the heat, the nervous or excited feeling you have, the feel of the chair under you or the pen in your hand or your fingers on the keyboard, the sound of your voice as you speak or shout for joy. Those are all those 5 senses plus emotions. It's those concrete details. It's what puts your reader in the story instead of reading about something or thinking, well, this is really well written and it's an interesting story. No, we want them sucked totally into your world that you create with your words.
The Highlights Foundation. For more information about Highlights Foundation workshops, visit our website at www.highlightsfoundation.org or call Joe Lloyd toll-free at 877-288-3410.